Okay. Actually, it's kind of pretty with the sun shining through. Well, there's a squirrel. There's a butterfly. A tree? But I got a butterfly. He's still there. He probably won't be there. Oh! I need the heron to come back so I can get him in the video. That's kind of pretty. Or a lizard. Flowers. Yeah. I'm not seeing any wildlife though. Don't know what these are. Where's that? Can't see it because it's just blending in really well. He thinks he can't be seen. He's camouflaged. Up.